Exploring the phrase, direct sow. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a very specific phrase used in gardening and agriculture, direct sow. This term might sound a bit technical, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in context. Direct sow consists of two words, direct and sow. Individually, direct typically means straight or without any detours. Think of it as doing something without any intermediaries or middle steps. Sow is a verb that means to plant seeds in the ground. When combined, direct sow implies planting seeds directly in the spot where you want the plant to grow, instead of starting them elsewhere and transplanting later. Now that we know what direct sow means, let's understand its significance. There are some plants, especially certain vegetables and flowers, that prefer to be sown directly into the ground where they will grow. This can be because 1. They have delicate roots that don't handle transplanting well. 2. They grow quickly and don't benefit from a head start indoors. 3. Simpler process. For some gardeners, direct sowing is just more straightforward than dealing with transplants. To understand direct sow better, let's look at a couple of examples. 1. Many gardeners choose to direct sow sunflower seeds because they grow quickly and have long roots. 2. Carrots are often direct sown into garden beds, as their delicate roots don't take well to being transplanted. And there you have it. The next time you hear or read about direct sow in a gardening context, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this video has shed light on this particular phrase, making your English language learning journey even more enriched. Happy gardening and happy learning!